Right, so here's another one of these simultaneous equations. So what we've got, two pretty simple equations. We've got equation 1, we'll call this one equation 2. So what we're ultimately wanting to do is try and find what x and y is by eliminating one of the variables in each of these equations. We can then just have an equation that's in the form of x equals whatever, and then put that value x back into the equation to find out what y is. So if we look at these equations, we could hopefully identify, if we try and eliminate y from both equations, we'll end up having x equals a number value. So if you think about what we can do with these two equations, we could actually add equation 1 and equation 2 together. And what I mean by that is, if you go 2x plus 3x, that gives you 5x minus y plus y is 0, and then you've got 10 plus 10 is 20. So now we've got 5 times x equals 20, and x must be 4. Right, so we've worked out what x is, so we can then put that value back into one of these equations to find out what y is. Now, what I would do is choose an equation which is a positive y. So if we actually have a wee look at equation 2, so I'll just get equation 2 down, that is 3x plus y equals 10. Right, so we now know what x is, so we can replace x with 4. So it's actually 3 times 4 plus y equals 10. And if we expand that, that's 12 plus y equals 10. So if we take 12 away from this side, just isolate y, and take 12 away from this side, so we end up with y equals minus 2. Okay, so we've now got the two values, x equals 4, y equals minus 2. Now, just to make sure it works, we can put it back into the equation, and we'll look at the top equation. So we'll look at equation 1, right? So if we look at equation 1, in which it was 2x minus y equals 10, so that's 2 times 4 minus negative 2 equals 10, so that's 8. Now minus negative 2, that's equivalent to saying plus 2, 8 plus 2, and that indeed equals 10. So we've worked out what x is by eliminating y. Once we've worked out what x is, we've then put x back into one of the equations. We've then worked out y, and then we've just substituted both x and y into the other equation, and that actually just confirms that x and y are indeed 4 and minus 2. And remember, the value for x in that equation is going to be the same for the value x in that equation, same with y. Okay, so hopefully that's another example that explains it as well.